today, guys. This is your favorite real estate professional, Dillan Pierre Tate, coming to you live. Well, by the time you see this, it'll probably be pre-recorded. I'm in a beautiful home right now. I just went house shopping with some clients earlier. Hopefully they're indeed right now signing the paperwork. I get a lot of friends, families, ex-co-workers, or maybe just people that I run into in public that say, hey, you know what, me and the family are really talking about investing in ourselves and purchasing a home for more space, more convenience, more privacy, and more security for our family. So we're on the market to purchase a home. They come to me and they say, hey Dylan, what's the first step? What do you recommend? The first step in the home buying process, and the most important step in the home buying process, is you have to find a financial partner. That's a fancy word for saying apply for a mortgage, okay? Go get pre-approved. See how much buying power you have once you hit the market. Getting pre-approved and receiving that pre-approval letter is gonna let us know how much money the bank is gonna loan you to go out and purchase your home, right? The pre-approval is going to give you your buying power when you're out on the market searching for a house. It's gonna let you know how much house you can afford. It's gonna give you a good idea of the monthly payments and things of that nature. So you definitely wanna get pre-approved first. That's the first step to purchasing a home. Why get pre-approved first? Well, for one, the pre-approval is going to set realistic expectations. I'll give you an example. I had a client that did not get pre-approved, but they went out house shopping anyway. They had their mind and their soul and their heart set on this $300,000 house. They fell in love with it, right? They didn't want to buy nothing else but the $300,000 house. Then they went and applied for a mortgage loan, and then they were only approved for $200,000. Then they came and asked for my services because I am a real estate professional. And they said, hey Dylan, we got approved for $200,000, but we want this $300,000 house. Can you make it happen? Guys, I'm good at negotiating. I'm really good. For me to negotiate $100,000 off the purchase price, the odds are definitely against us. Getting pre-approved is gonna set reasonable expectations. Let's say you got pre-approved for $250,000. Well, now we can go house shopping for houses that are in the $250,000 range. We cannot go house shopping for houses that are above the $250,000 range. That is, of course, if you're willing to put some money out of your pocket outside of the loan. Another reason to get pre-approved first is, on the flip side of that, you could be settling for a house when you actually qualify for bigger and better. Us as human beings, when we get ready to spend a dollar, we want to make sure that we're getting the best bang for our buck. So getting pre-approved, finding a financial partner, the first step to getting a house, first step to purchasing your home, the first step in the home buying process. I'm gonna be answering your questions live through social media, so it's gonna be a fun, interactive experience. I thought it would be a cool opportunity to come to the house and answer some of the questions that you guys send me through social media. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me a message or leave a comment below the video. All right?